Yo, good afternoon guys. Yeah, we are going home now. Today I finished at 2 o'clock. Just right. So for this roster, I am working 2 days with complete hours. I don't know tomorrow. Maybe tomorrow less hours because yeah, it depends. If it's busy, I will be working with complete hours, 8 hours. If not, maybe I will go home early. No one together and we beat it up for this glory of love. All of us are actually working less hours. Yeah, that is why I miss some of the guys. Most of them, they are coming at 4 o'clock or 2 o'clock, and sometimes I go home at 12 o'clock or 11 o'clock, so I didn't see them. Kart and Inigo, I don't see them these days. Oh, I need to be home very fast because the bike, the tire is flat. I almost fell off. Yeah, and when I touch, it's actually very soft. I think there is a puncture in here. Okay, I think it's good now. Okay, the bike is now good. I don't know, maybe later on that one is flat again. Maybe there is a puncture. I'm not sure. Yo, good afternoon guys. Yeah, we're going home now. Yeah, like what I said yesterday, I'm maybe going home early today. Yeah, I finished today at 12 o'clock, and today we did 140, but that was a really smooth service. Nothing I can do. Oh, the tire of my bike is good. So if you remember yesterday, it was soft. There's no air, and then I air it, and then when I get home I air it again, and until now it's good. I thought there is a puncture, but none. Yeah, I'm now home and it's already 12:30. It is not very cold today. The temperature is more than 10 degrees. Also at the moment I'm still feeling tired from action, from bike, so I don't really feel cold. But I'm going to prepare now my meal, and it's going to be sardines. If you remember last time I bought these cheap sardines. rice is totally cooked now. This is the usual cook of sardines when I was in the Philippines, when I was young. Yeah, this is how my parents cook the sardines. And sometimes the same like corned beef, we add more water to make it more. Yo, good afternoon guys. We are going home now. You see that house? That was yeah, it's done already. It's modern, the modern house. Yes, it is. Nice weather today. There is no sign of going to be rainy. Amazing. They are doing some improvements in the beach. So there is a warning that it is not allowed to go in there. They are basically doing some restoration because some of the sand, because there's some kind of soil erosion happened in there, so they are fixing it. And today I finished at 12 o'clock. Yeah, maybe the time now is maybe 12:15. Yeah, still early. I work just 5 hours. Yeah, from 6, 7, 8, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So I work 6 hours today. No break. Look at that, the water is sparkling. Nice. And you know, today is not very cold. It's like spring already. It feels like that. Yeah, there are some people, they are already hanging out in the beach. Nice. And let me read this. This is the bridle path, Nelson Bay Marina to Datsman Bay. Before roads were built in the Tumari Peninsula in 1940s, ships provided the main means of transportation between Nelson Bay, a remote fishing village, and the outside world. Yeah, it's a long story. We go. We are now here. I don't know why it feels sad. It's beautiful, but it feels sad. Maybe because of my music. We're going to the grocery. We're going to buy laundry soap. Okay. Yeah. We're going to take one of this peanut butter. This is just $4.60. Also going to take one of this coconut milk. It's $3.50. 270 ml. Oh no, not this one. There is one cheaper. This one, just $1.40. 400 ml. How come it's bigger and it's cheaper? And we're going to take one of these laundry soap, $5.50, 2 liters. We're going to take it. This is discounted already. Maybe it's soon to expire. Before it's $3.50, now just $3.10. We're going to take this. This is just $3. Okay, we are home, and I also went to the ATM machine, take $250 for the house rent. Yeah, It is now 1:23, and I'm going to do my lunch and then going to my laundry.